Hey guys, welcome back to the next vlog. So, things are back to the way they used to be around here. A little bit more boring because my brother's not here, but I'm trying to entertain myself. I'm succeeding. So it's very cold out, I think. I have a coat on, so I don't feel too cold, but we're going to be getting snow this afternoon, all tonight. It's going to be a big snowstorm, supposedly. It's December 1st. This is uncommon. It's going to be a really cold, bad winter for us in the Northeast. That's what I'm thinking. That's what everyone's kind of guessing. So, looks like I have a lot of shoveling to do. That's good. That keeps me busy. But look at the sky. You can tell it's going to snow. So, after having 6 out of my 12 lessons for driving with this really annoying guy who just had no patience, I decided to change him and got a different guy. So I'm not going on Monday anymore, I'm going Thursday now at 5, which it's like dark by 5, so it's the only downside, but I guess it's not a bad thing. I've driven at night plenty of times before. Look at that little thing. A nice hipper on, I think. But anyway, it's gonna be interesting. Hopefully this guy is a lot better than the last guy. Because the last guy just had bad methods of teaching and he just had no patience. So Thursday afternoon now, it's Monday. And I also ordered a new phone on Friday because I know you guys are getting, it's coming on Friday, sorry. But I know you guys are getting sick of this one. It's just getting so old. But I'll vlog with that new one. It's an iPhone SE, so I'm not looking for a super, like, it does everything that I need to do. And I don't need some really expensive one. I just need one that does what I need it to do, and it will. It'll be a lot better than this one, too. It's finally snowing out. I love this. It's so nice. Look at it. Doesn't it look so nice? No, you guys probably don't agree with me, but anyway. Right now, I like it. By the end of the winter, I'm not gonna like it. Right now, I do. Actually, winter hasn't even begun, technically, until, like, the 20th or the 21st of December. So... Hey guys, so I'm being productive now. I'm coming out in the snow. Look at this. It's nice snow. Nice and cold. I'm enjoying it. So don't even tell me that I shouldn't. What the heck was that? Something just flashed in my screen. It's still out here, guys. I'm not giving up. Oh my god, this poor car. Disgusting. It's covered in snow. Maybe I'll sweep some off for them at the end. They'll appreciate me. I'm staying outside now for like half an hour, I think. I'm trying to use it wisely. 50 likes and I'll roll down that hill. No, I won't. Yes, I will. What the hell was that? Guys, this is a great area for the snow. I'm hungry and I have one food source. Good. So, I'm home now. What else do I do? So I was drawing this today. It needs to be finished, I know. Actually, does it? The ground needs to be colored more. I'm just gonna do that. I guess I'll settle for that. It's okay, the ground. I don't typically put that much work into it.